Recipe for a good marriage. Maintaining a healthy and strong relationship in marriage requires ongoing efforts, understanding, and mutual respect. Here are some practical tips to help sustain a good relationship in marriage. Communication, which is regular conversation. Make time to talk with each other daily, discussing both important matters and casual topics. This helps maintain a strong connection. At the same time, active listening. Pay attention to what your spouse says without interrupting. Show that you value their thoughts and feelings. And express your feelings. Be honest about your emotions and needs. This prevents misunderstanding and builds trust. Show appreciation. Express gratitude. Regularly thank your spouse for their efforts, whether big or small. This reinforces positive behavior and shows that you don't take them for granted. Compliment each other. Compliments can boost confidence and reaffirm love and attractions. Spend quality time together. Regularly schedule time to do something enjoyable together, like a date night, a walk, or a shared hobby. Unplug from devices. Disconnect from the phones, computers, and other devices to focus solely on each other during meals, conversation, or leisure time. Practice patience and forgiveness. Avoid overreacting. When conflicts arise, remain calm and avoid saying things you might regret later. Apologize and forgive. Be quick to apologize when you are wrong and equally quick to forgive your spouse when they err. Holding on to grudges can erode the relationships. Mutual respect in marriage. Respect boundaries. Respect each other's personal space, time, and preferences. Understand that it's okay to have differences. Support each other's goals. Encourage your spouse to pursue their personal goals and dreams and be supportive in their journey. Share responsibilities. Household duties. Share the responsibility of running the household, including chores, finances, and childcare. This fosters teamwork and reduces stress. Decision making. Involve each other in important decisions, ensuring that both partners feel valued and heard. Keep the romance alive. Like surprise gestures. Surprise your spouse with a small, thoughtful gestures like a love note, a favorite meal, or a small gift. Physical affection is very important. Do not underestimate the power of physical touch, such as holding hands, hugging, or cuddling. These simple acts can maintain the intimacy. Prioritize intimacy. Emotional intimacy plays a very vital role. Share your thoughts, fears, and dreams with each other. Emotional intimacy is just as important as physical intimacy. Now comes physical connection. Maintain a healthy physical relationship as it is a vital part of a marriage. Be mindful of each other's needs and comfort levels. Under continuous learning and growth, there are 2 points: personal development and marriage counseling. Encourage each other to grow and learn both individually and as a couple. This could involve taking up new hobbies, reading, or attending Islamic workshops. Marriage counseling, if it needed, don't hesitate to seek help from a marriage counselor to work through challenges. Keep faith at the center, that is Iman. Pray together, regularly pray Nawafil together as a couple. This can strengthen your bond and bring peace and guidance into your relationship. Follow Islamic principles. Adhering to Islamic teaching in your marriage can provide a strong foundation of love, respect, and commitment. Stay committed in a marriage. Focus on the long term. Remember that the marriage is a commitment. Focus on building a strong partnership that can withstand challenges over time. Work through challenges. Every marriage faces difficulties. Approach challenges as a team with the determination to overcome them together. Avoid comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare your marriage. Every relationship is unique. Avoid comparing your marriage to others, which can lead to unrealistic expectation and dissatisfaction. Make dua for each other. Pray for your spouse. Regularly make dua for your spouse's well being, success, and happiness. This reinforces your spiritual connection and care for each other. By following these tips, couple can build a strong, loving, and lasting marriage that thrives on mutual respect and understanding and love. Hadanullah.